Hi, I'm Dave Parker, Master Plumber and CEO of ER Plumbing Services. If you're watching this video today, you're probably having a problem with your water heater. I'm here to tell you, at ER Plumbing, we have some of the best techs in town that respond quickly when you are out of hot water or in an emergency situation. And guess what? We don't charge any extra for nights, weekends, or holidays. We also guarantee our service and products at competitive pricing. In fact, we guarantee you will not be able to find an identical water heater experience from any other company for repairs or replacements. To schedule service, call ER Plumbing today, 704-846-5371, or you can visit us at erplumbing.com, where you're serviced once, client for life.